This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Beautifully maintained two-story townhome, open floor plan, neutral colors. Downstairs features a one-car garage, spacious kitchen with island and walk-in pantry, great room with living and dining areas, half bath, wonderful natural lighting and all tiled. Second floor has all 3 bedrooms with walk-in closets, 2 full baths, laundry room, washer and dryer included, and laminate flooring. Lots of storage. Fantastic pavered patio with fencing gives you that much needed space to relax in. Private driveway, ample guest parking, lots of storage, and did I mention clean? Community pool, nicely landscaped, centrally located, close to the Viera Conveniences and I-95. For more information, review the details below.